We have reached 40k, you guys, and I promise you guys that at every 5k I will be doing a giveaway. But you guys, let me tell you, I just did not expect it to go this fast, you guys. We are not even done with my last giveaway yet. So you guys, oh my god, I just can't handle it. So from now on, we are going to do a giveaway at every 10k. Alright? Alright, you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, supporting this channel, showing me so much love. I really appreciate it. You guys inspire me to go ahead and make some bump ass videos for you guys every time, every single time again. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for that. And this time I will be doing a giveaway, but I will be doing a secret box. Alright, I will be doing a secret box. So when you get the box at your doorstep, then you will see what I did as a giveaway. Alright? Alright? Am I getting better? Alright? You will just see when it gets to your doorstep. I will put everything to enter the giveaway down in the description box as always. Yeah. Just yeah. So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Claes, and you guys, in this video, yes, in this video, I am going to show you how to create the perfect baby boom the easiest way. Yes. See, this is the easiest way, you guys. I know for sure that this is the easiest way to get the perfect transition from that perfect baby boom nails. I will just go ahead and show you that in this video. Yes, in this video. But before you go ahead and watch this video, go ahead on my social media. I will put this somewhere here in the screen so you can go ahead and follow me. Show me some, bump ass love. Then, when you come back, we will go ahead and watch this video. Okay, so this was a refill of the Old English lettering set that I've done. I will put a link in the description box below so you can go ahead and watch that video. If you didn't watch it yet, I've already got the old acrylic off and prepped the nails. And I've also applied a thin layer of clear acrylic. And now we are going on for the baby boom. So I'm using the cover pink from Young Nails to apply on the nail bed. And as you know, I really like to apply the acrylic as close as possible to the cuticle area. I will put the link on the video how I do that in the description box below, and also the video how to prep nails I will put in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check that one out. So I apply a little bit of acrylic at the nail on the nail bed, and fading it into the nail tip because I don't want acrylic at the tip, because we are going to apply the white. I think that this one is the easiest way to get the perfect baby boom. So I'm just applying a little bit more so you won't see the nail underneath. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I'm applying that on the nail bed, the cover pink, and this is the easiest way again to get, or for me it's the easiest way to get the perfect baby boom. And to get that, we will use core white from Young Nails, because it's that milky white. It's not that opaque with that much pigment of white in it, so that's why you can get that perfect transition pretty easy. So you'll just apply that core white on the tip, and you will just spread it with the tip of your brush into the cover pink, if you know what I'm saying. So that's what I'm doing, and after that I will go ahead and cover the entire nail. So when I'm filing, I will not file down the beautiful transition that we have made. So I will cover it with clear acrylic, and I'm not speeding this part up because I want you guys to see exactly what I've done when doing this. So now I'm encapsulating it with clear acrylic. And a tip that I can give you guys is, if you are a beginner, go ahead and apply the cover pink on the nail bed first on all the nails, and then come back and go in with your white. Okay? And on this nail, I'm showing you the other way that you can do a baby boom. I'm just using the XXL white, so the white with a lot of pigments with it. But if you want to get that perfect transition with only I mean with using this XXL white, you will have to start applying the white first on the tip, and after that you will go in and make that transition with the cover pink on the nail bed. This I do this because on the pinky, the easiest way with what I show you, you will use the core white with less pigment, and next on the ring finger we are using the XXX white, yes, with a lot of pigment first, and then going ahead with the cover pink over it, because the cover pink don't have like that opaque pigment. You know what I'm saying? You're getting what I'm saying? So that's why I go with the cover pink after that I'm apply that I after I'm sorry you guys, after that I have applied the white acrylic, so we don't get that white or that white pigment over the nail, so we can get that perfect transition. I really hope you understand me, but just watch what I'm doing. That's why I didn't speed it up. I really wanted to show you guys this technique too. If you guys don't have that core white, that milky white, that's why I also showed you this one, how you can get that. But I think the easiest way is to get the perfect transition with the milky white. I mean the milky white. um it's called the core bite from Young Nails. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below of the products that I've used. So I will be going on using the method that I think that is the easiest, which is using the core white at the tip of the nail. So as you can see, I did that transition really easy because it's not that opaque, and you see that pink underneath. Don't worry about that. I will be filing that away later. So as I promised, I will be making a filing video. I will be making a video how I explain in details how I use my e-file and how I file and shape my nails. Okay, I will make that for you guys. So I'm going on with the first way that I show you how to get the baby boomer. I will go ahead and do that on the other nails. So you guys, if you're still here watching with me, thank you so much for being here with me. I really hope you have something, any tip that I gave you and that I will be giving you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. If you are still here watching with me, comment a white hearted emoji below so I know that you're still here watching with me. Thank you so much. And if you're still here watching with me but you're not subscribed yet, hi baby. I don't know why you're not subscribed. Why you're not subscribed yet? I can't even spell my words. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notification bell so you're the first one to know when we post the next time. So this is how the nails look after application, and next I'm using my medium grit bit to smooth down the nails and to shape the nails. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below. Next I'm going in with my tapered bit into the cuticle area. And now I'm going in with my hand file to perfect the shape. This is how the nails look after filing, buffing and cleaning the nails. And next I'm applying the Cakes Ink Nails Gel Top Coat. I will put the link also for you guys in the description box below. And I will cure it for like 2 minutes under my lamp to make sure it's completely dry. And then I will be applying some cuticle oil and will show you the end result.
Something that I always do after applying the gel top coat is to swipe my fingers at the sides, because sometimes the gel top coat will leak at the sides and will just give you a misformed nails. So that's why I just scrape my nails at the side so I get that gel off so I can get and keep the perfect shape. So yeah, you guys, this is the end result. I really hope you've liked it. I really hope you've learned something, and let me know in the comments below what you would like to see next in my other videos. Thank you so much for watching.
So yeah, you guys, this was the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've learned something. I really hope you've liked this video, and if you have liked this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet, because I don't know what you're still watching and you're not subscribed yet. Baby girl or baby boy, shame on you. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell, because I will be posting 3 times a week. 3 times a week. And also, if you have watched this video and you have recreated this set, or you have just got my tips and you have got that perfect baby boom, you also go ahead and tag me on Instagram so I can also see your creations. Okay? Yes? Thank you. Bye bye.